everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I want to discuss my experiences with the OnePlus 11 for the last 2 months. Did I make a mistake buying this device? I think I did, but I'm going to try to explain it without sounding dumb or contradiction to myself. But I'm going to explain the problem I've been having with the OnePlus 11. I don't want the OnePlus fanboys to come after me, or even the Samsung Knights to come join my party, but there's something that has never happened before that's happening with this OnePlus 11 in my years of having different phones, reviewing a couple phones at the same time. Now, before I start, the OnePlus 11 is a good phone. It has a great price. I mean, I even did a trade-in. I paid like $400 for this phone plus tax, and I think I even paid shipping or something, and it was like $475. For what you get for $475 is a great phone. You get good cameras. This is the camera on the OnePlus 11. I'm in 4K at 60 frames per second. This is the mic on there, so y'all let me know how it sounds. How does everything look? But here's the problem, and why I say it's a mistake, and maybe OnePlus can learn from it too, is it has nothing that wants me to pick up this phone more than my S23 Ultra. There's nothing that is making me want to pick up this phone more than my S23 Ultra. And I have two lines, and this one is on my secondary line. I had it on my primary line for a few weeks, and I just wanted to use my S23 Ultra more because of the cameras, because of the pen. And when I switched it over to the secondary line, I don't really pick up this phone as much as I should. And I think that's where the problem is. Like, it doesn't have nothing to make me pick it up compared to the S23 Ultra. Now, again, that is like a problem that I have because I'm a reviewer and I have different phones I can pick up and use. But this phone, for me, has nothing that is going to make me want to pick it up over my S23 Ultra. And I'm not even a Samsung Knight or fanboy, and I just don't understand what it is. Maybe y'all have both phones. Can y'all let me know, if y'all think the same way, or do y'all agree or disagree? And again, the OnePlus, if I just had the OnePlus 11, if I had to pick up the OnePlus 11 and that's all I had, I would probably love the phone more than what I do now. But when I have the S23 Ultra, when I have an Oppo Find N2, when I even had the Nothing phone, I'm not using the OnePlus 11 as much as I should. And that was never the case. I've been having the Pixel 7 Pro and like the Z Fold 4 at the same time, and I would use both phones the same amount of time. And I have reviewed multiple phones at the same time, and I use them about the same amount of time. I had never had this experience before. So I need to know if I'm by myself, or do y'all feel the same way? Because I'm not really bashing the phone, but I do think it's a mistake that I picked it up. Maybe I picked it up at the wrong time. Maybe I should have got rid of the S23 Ultra and just had the OnePlus so I can give it its fair assessment on it. But it has nothing that the S23 doesn't do for me. The only thing that the OnePlus 11 has better is the price, because of the trade-in and everything else. That's the only thing it has better. Now, the charging is better though. I mean, it does charge faster than my S23 Ultra, but I don't know, something about the S23 Ultra this year is making me pick it up more than this OnePlus 11. I just want to do this short video. Yes, I'm gonna say it's a mistake that I picked it up. Maybe it's a mistake the time they put it out. Also, because they released this phone about the same time that the S23 Ultra came out. So I've been using both phones, but to be honest, I haven't used this one as much as I should be, or as much as that it's not making me use it. I'm picking up the S23 Ultra more than the OnePlus 11. I might be by myself on this. This video might sound dumb. People might be in the comments. Y'all let me know. Please have a discussion. Let's keep it friendly. Let's keep it friendly in there. And if you're a OnePlus fanboy, or you like OnePlus and you have the OnePlus 11, y'all let me know. I mean, I had Motorola phones compared to S23 Ultra, S22 Ultra. I mean, I even used the Motorola phones more than I used this OnePlus 11. And I had OnePlus. I had the OnePlus 10 Pro, the 9, I think Pro, the 8 something, at 7 Pro. So I've been having OnePlus for a while, but this one phone here, I just don't use it. It has nothing that I'm missing with my S23 Ultra, which is, I don't know how to feel about it. But this has just been Forbes Tech Reviews. If you agree or disagree, please, let's get it going. Am I going to return it? Am I keeping it? I'm keeping the phone. You know, I might sell it later on, but I'm gonna keep the phone for now. Again, it's a great phone. I just don't use it more than my other phones that I have now. But y'all let me know. I love making these type of videos with the vlog, but how was this video? How does everything look? The cameras are pretty decent on this phone also. But y'all let me know. Keep it real in there for me. Follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. So that way you know when I'm dropping the next video on any device coming up. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.